Good morning, everybody. Oh my goodness. You guys did a great job on your measures of center. So now we're moving on to box plots. Box plots are a little bit different. And I think you've experienced a little bit of these in 5th grade, but we're really going to get into them and really work with them. So we're going to start off with understanding, first off, what is a box plot? So a box plot is a display that shows how the values in a data set are spread out. Okay, IQR is the interquartile range. So interquartile range is equal to your upper quartile minus your lower quartile. Okay, so to make a box plot, you have to find 5 things. You have to find the least value, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the greatest value. So those are your 5 things that you need to find. Remember on our last assignment, we were looking at mean, median, and range. So that's why we had to do that, so you can understand how to find this information here. All right, so your lower quartile is the median of the lower half of the data, where your upper quartile is the median of the upper half of the data. Okay, so let's look at our data. Our data is 25, 28, 30, 35, 38, 42, 46. Now this is what a box and whiskers. This is the box. These are the whiskers. So that's where you get your box and whiskers from. All right, these are already been put into order for you from the least to the greatest. So we automatically know that this one is least value. That makes this one the greatest value. All right, so down here is least. This is greatest. All right, we know, according to what we learned last lesson, that our median is going to be the middle. So here is our median, which we also call it the middle, but we use the math word, which is median. That also ties up with this line right here. This will always be your median. Okay, so then when you're looking at this, if this is the least, because remember we still have the lower quartile to look for and the upper quartile to look for. Well, the lower quartile will be from the medium all the way down to the least. So this is our lower quartile, and that makes this our upper quartile. Okay, so our least is 25. Does that measure up? Yep. Our greatest is 46. Does that measure up? Yep. Our median is 35. Does that measure up? Oh, yes, ma'am. It sure does, because there's where 35 would be. So our lower quartile would be an average of these, which would put us about 30, okay? And then our upper quartile, being an average of those, would put us about 40, okay? And that's how you set up a box and whiskers. That kind of gives you an idea of what it looks like. So you guys have got this. So go ahead and practice on the next couple of questions so that you get this, okay? I hope this is easier for you so you don't have to keep turning your heads. All right, guys, have a great day. Love y'all. Miss y'all. Bye.